this is how I turn my ebooks, EPUBs to audiobooks. So I take them here and then I turn them into a text file by converting them. And then I just choose this voice and then it's going to sound something like this.
He was thus engaged in July 1914 when the war clouds began to gather and when the fateful news...
Not bad, eh? So if you want to access this, just comment below. This is like basically going to turn any book that you want, any text that you want into an audiobook. Of course, it's not hard, but then this is doing some extra steps such as allowing us to export MP3s and MP4s. So yeah, once you have the text file, you put it inside of here and then we will send it to our API and then we'll just package everything into an audiobook and it's going to cost me around $10. Now you could say, oh, you could buy the audiobook for around like 15 or 20. Sure, I agree. But many books that I want, they are not in audiobook format and I want something like listenable. So this is the best solution I found, and I can of course download each of these parts separately. But yeah, this is how it works. I have another one I could potentially show you. 1 second. So I'm not sure, but I think it's this one.
Product of many hours of hard work by volunteers for standard. Instruct me, copy his letters, and attend the store.
Again, this is not going to be a perfect audiobook. So sometimes you're going to feel like the voice is like cracking and stuff like that, but it's enough for my use, right? And I have
A process that fulfills most. Remember that people tend to pick people like themselves. So pick interviewers who can identify what you are looking for.
Anyways, this is it. Have a beautiful day. I'm excited to give this tool to you guys. It's an audiobook generator, and basically, yeah, you pay for the generations only, and that's it. That's it pretty much. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.